everyone, Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater. Winter is finally over and spring is here. Do you know what that means? We are offering a complimentary spring service maintenance clinic. We want to make sure your vehicle is prepared for spring of 2022. This offer runs from now until May 31st. We will do a multi-point inspection. That means we're going to be checking your tire pressure, your battery and brakes, your wipers, belts and hoses, and we're going to top off all your fluids. We're also going to pick up and drop off your vehicle if you're within 20 miles radius of the dealership. And the best part about this is that you'll receive a multi-point inspection video by our certified BMW technicians. So why don't you call 908-287-1800, or you could click the link below to schedule your appointment today.